car behind me, this is the 1989 Lamborghini Countach 25th Anniversary Edition. But it's not your average Countach. This is one of two Countaches used in the Wolf of Wall Street movie. Our auction estimate for this Countach, we're anticipating $1.5 to $2 million. That's kind of the range we see this car bringing. We're anticipating that, and hopefully there's two people that really want it and it brings more. This car was used in a couple of the driving scenes with Leonardo. So there's two cars. One of them was actually destroyed and crashed for the scene when Leo is crawling out of the country club. This one is the one they actually ran and drove in the movie. So this is the working, usable Countach from The Wolf of Wall Street. This car has a top speed of 183 miles an hour, but that was back in 1989, so that was mind-blowing in the 80s. This specific one is one of 12 that is Polo Bianco over Bianco interior, so white over white. So it's a very rare color combination, as well as being a 25th anniversary. It's a very special Countach.
Yep.
An interesting thing about this Countach, what people are so attracted to, are the doors. Obviously, they have Lamborghini-style scissor doors. So typical car doors open to the sides, these open straight up, and they're sure to get anybody's attention. Some interesting details about the Countach. There's only 25 known U.S. examples. So, but what I mean by that is the U.S. market has different regulations than the European market. So they made a lot of Countaches for Europe, but in a white Bianco Countach, there's only 25 U.S. spec examples. So this is one of 25, and even more rare being one of 12 with white over white interior.